You make me laugh when you do that. Don't do that. Hi. So I forgot.
Sound deadening.
So we decided to put some sound deadening into our van, and we did do some videos quite a while back, but Louise lost some of the footage, so we're gonna have to do a little bit again. Don't know where she's put it. Who knows? So this is the stuff that we used. It's Dodo mat. So it's like steel on this side, sticky on this side.
Is it?
And apparently it's meant to help with the sound. Who knows? So we put it all around the van, little bits, and so Louise cut it up and put it all up here, all on the roof, all on the back doors, over the wheel arches. Yeah.
Yeah, so it said the manufacturer reckons that 50% coverage makes a difference. So we've gone for somewhere roughly about that.
Yeah, we've kind of put it randomly. Well, not randomly, we have put it in certain places, so hopefully, well, we've seen the difference, heard the difference.
Yeah, so basically it was pretty, we shot a video a little while ago and it was pretty noisy. But since then we've put this in and hopefully that sorted it out. We had another problem, we had a really bad rattle coming from the back doors, and I've spent weeks trying to find it. Eventually I managed to find it, and if you get it, it's really simple. If you bring the camera in. So basically these are where the door catches are and it latches onto there, and the rattle was literally, it didn't sound like it, but it was just the sound from that. So I tried to adjust these, I tried adjusting the door, I tried it at the bottom, we had the same issue on the sliding door. It went on for weeks. Eventually I just put some grease on there, and that was enough. As soon as I put that grease on, just sprayed some silicone grease on there, that side and the sliding door, and that fixed it. So, but you'll hear that when we do the video of us driving again, now the sounds in. A few things have changed since we shot the first lot. We've now put the floor in, a couple of bits and pieces. I think we put the electric in since then, so it is a little bit different. We've got a bit more weight in here, but fundamentally you'll see if it makes a difference. But yeah, I did lose the footage of us, the original one, so it is kind of a bit out of sync.
I believe that we're going to be driving down some road to test the sound out of the van before we do the sound deadening.
Sound deadening, yes.
So you just have to bear with us, really.
Yeah, because it is noisy.
This is our local beach.
Yeah, local beach, and this is the local van life spot. I don't know if you can hear me because of the noise of the van. We didn't soundproof the last one, but we're definitely giving it a go in this one. So I'm going to pull over.
All the lovely campers. So I'm just in the back of the van now, waiting for Louise to pull off and test the sound out with my handy mic.
Are you happy?
No,
You noisy?
I'm not comfy. And I don't believe this is safe. So I'm back in the back of the van, and we're just going to go and do the sound deadening now, and just so you can hear the difference. Louise has left the back doors open. We'll pit stop while she does the back doors. video all done, so you can see the difference between before and after. It costs about £100, so for the sake of £100 and a bit of time, we think that it's worth it.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Mm.
Yeah, I definitely say it's worth it. You probably could do it a little bit cheaper if you bought we bought ours on in a pack of pre-cut squares. Only because we couldn't get it on the roll. So if we'd have got it on the roll, it would have been a bit cheaper, but you would have had to cut all your own panels. But yeah, so between £80 and £100, or even less if you've got a small van. Definitely worth it. Yeah. See you later.
Bye!